Nightwish Army. Listen, I just want to explain something to you. First off, I want to say thank you guys. If you stuck around, if you've been a subscriber of mine, and you stuck around through this long absence, I want to say thank you. I truly appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Okay, that being said, one of the hardest things I have ever had to do in my life was not listen to any new Nightwish. I have not listened to nothing, anything. Where did I learn to speak? I have not listened to anything off of the new album. This is 100% first time. So we're gonna do Noise, and I can't wait. I'm not gonna talk your ear off because I've waited. When did this come out? In February, March, something like that. It's been a long time. So let's get into it. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Excuse me. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Leave me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What other new Nightwish, or anybody for that matter, would you like to see me react to? Leave it in the comments below. Let's get into it. I'm done waiting. Already, it's super dark. I love it. I would first like to say something here. Alright, so some of you know I had to take an absence for technical computer reasons here. As I'm watching this, the border and everything is flashing super fast. I don't know if that's coming through on your end, but if it is, I would just like to apologize. But I'm not going to mess with it. We're just going to have to let it ride that way. So hopefully it's not too much of a distraction for you or me. Anyways, let's keep it going. I love it so far.
The screen zooming for flaccent misery, bleed some pixels, shoot yourself, pose for the dead, have a near-life experience in a hard matrix. Now you're a star, vain avatar, feeding the beast in your loud ego land. You have become tool of a tool, digital fool, telling you to shut up and dance.
I've got to be honest, I was waiting for the Mona Lisa to start singing. I thought that's where they were going with that. Oh, goodness. All right, let's keep going.
Well,
hello. Good Lord. Like a ghillie suit and a top hat. I love it.
please love me, see how I bleed, please endure. I have such empathy in me. How noise, how beautiful.
I see where they're going with this.
The quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, set fall upon lost in the breeze. The real and human feel. Sunset is free from this deity.
Alright, so I have to do... I'm a nerd at heart, so I have to do a nerd reference. Tuomas is reminding me of Radagast from The Hobbit, so I just wanted to put that out there.
The earth has a real voice, go out and get in. Color a yarn and the crowds will gather. Light from a sunless world. Your mirror is black, only a copy stares back and sleep of rain.
I would just I want to try to see if I'm getting this right. I don't have the lyrics in front of me, so I'm trying to go by the imagery and what I'm picking up from the lyrics. It seems like this is just kind of going over what we humans, what we put ourselves through for recognition, for fame. I don't know. Maybe I'm looking too much into it, but it seems like it's just kind of showing us all the self-destructive, sometimes silly things that we will do, just to, like I said, just to draw eyes to us. And again, if you're seeing this flash like I'm seeing, I apologize. Hopefully it will not translate through to the finished product. Everybody's stuck to their phones. Oh, shit. Disturbing. That is the best way.
Beyond the human horizon, something terrifying sleeps. Rise from the sunless world. Your mirror is black, only a couple stares back at a slave of brave new world.
I want to say Marco does creepy very, very well. Alright, we're still not over here. I don't know why I'm surprised. Nightwish always has some kind of an interlude. And man, I hope that flashing is just killing me over here. I really hope it's not coming through on your end. Oh, so it was over. Very nice. Again, what it would appear to be, at least to my point of view, is just showing all the self-destructive or silly things that we do. That's all. It's noise, human noise. Okay, I guess that's what they were trying to get through. All the fat loss stuff, the manpower, the supplements and the lip injections and the mud bath and all of that stuff. It's I mean, it's a society that's where we live. People are so obsessed with their outer appearance, with their physical image, that they will do just about anything to attain whatever standard of beauty that they're seeking. And it's sad. It really is. It ruins people's lives. People commit suicide over self-image, and it's very sad. But listen, this is Nightwish, and they did it in an entertaining way, and it sounded just phenomenal. I know I headbanged my headphones off there a few minutes ago. Excellent stuff, man. Excellent stuff. I cannot wait to see more. I'm going to refrain from listening to any more new Nightwish. I'm going to do it here. So where's the next one? Where do I go to next? So listen, if this is your first time here, I've got to go. If this is your first time here, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, or a thumbs down. Doesn't matter. But yeah, leave me some feedback. What should I do next? I do want to thank you once more if you stuck around through my absence. It really, truly does mean a lot that you stuck around, even though I wasn't putting out hardly anything new. So, all right, you guys take care of each other. Stay safe out there. It's a COVID world now, apparently. So, do what you got to do. Let's get this thing over with so we can get back to having concerts and get back to normal life. So, listen, I'm out of here, you guys. Thank you for sticking by. Thank you for watching. Peace out.